Dear student, good morning all. I am taking online class of DSS as an English teacher, and today I am teaching you all another topic, present continuous tense. Today I am starting present continuous tense. You know that there are three kinds of tense. First, present, second, past, and third, future. How many kinds of tenses? There are three kinds of tenses. First, present, past, and future. And be add continuous with all. Be add continuous with all. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. Present continuous tense, past continuous tense, and future continuous tense. And a very special word is with all. Which is very special word? Continuous. The word continuous. The word continuous. Suppose that we will have to express our views, our thoughts in the continuous, then we change something with verb. With verb. We take first form of verb. V plus V1 plus ing. V1 plus ing means first form of verb plus ing. Suppose that come, coming. Come, coming. When we add ing with come, then I remove and remove the place and I take the place of e. C-O-M-E, come plus ing is equal to e, remove with place मीन्स हम ई को हटा देते हैं और उस स्थान पर आई लाते हैं. C-O-M-I-N-G, C-O-M-I-N-G. तो ये रूल है. ठीक है. ओके स्टूडेंट. सेम वे सपोज दैट वी हैव टेकन अनदर एग्जांपल ऑफ वर्ब रन. R-U-N. Where is U? U is between two consonants. Then when we add ing, run plus ing, R-U-N plus ing, then the last letter yan becomes double, यानी दो हो जाता है. R-U-N plus ing is equal to R-U double N-I-N-G. Do not forget this rule. Do not forget this rule. Continuous means first form of verb plus ing. Continuous means first form of verb plus ing. Continuous means first form of verb plus ing. When do we use first form of verb plus ing? If I am getting continuous, means in present continuous, in past continuous, and in future continuous. And present continuous tense has three helpers. Present continuous tense has 3 helping verbs. How many helping verbs? 3 helping verbs. Present continuous tense has 3 helping verbs. First, is. Second, am. Third, are. Is, am, are. Is, am, are. Okay, student? There are 3 helping verbs in present continuous tense. First, is. Second, am. Third, are. Is and are. Do not forget. Is and are. Is and are. कितने हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स होते हैं? 3. कौन होते हैं? Is and are. Okay, student? Then we should also know about the uses of these helping verbs to the related subject. अगर हम इस बात को नहीं जानेंगे कि किस सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम किस हेल्पिंग वर्ब का यूज करेंगे तो गलत हो जाएगा. सपोज दैट फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब है इज. व्हाट इज दिस? द फर्स्ट हेल्पिंग वर्ब ऑफ प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस टेंस इज. क्या है? इज. एंड वी यूज इज विथ ऑल सिंगुलर नंबर सब्जेक्ट. He, she, it, any naming word. We use it. We use it. And second helping verb, am. Second helping verb, am. Second helping verb, am. आप जानते हैं कि प्रेजेंट कंटीन्यूअस में am का यूज हम केवल मैं की इंग्लिश आई के लिए किया जाता है. We use helping verb I only with subject I in the present continuous tense. और किसी के साथ नहीं किया जाता. Am is used with only pronoun I. I means मैं, जिसका मतलब मैं. Okay, student? And the third helping verb of present continuous tense. The third helping verb of present continuous tense is are. A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. क्या है? What is this? This is A-R-E-R. And this helping verb means the helping verb are is used with all plural number subjects. Are is used with all plural number subjects. Are is used with all plural number subject. Like we, you, they, cats, or any which is more than one. Which is more than one. Express plural number subject, and with plural number subject we use helping verb I. We use helping verb I. हम जो है helping verb जो है क्या करते हैं? We use helping verb are. Sorry, we use helping verb are. We use helping verb are with all plural number subject in the present continuous tense. In the present continuous tense. Okay, student? Now अब हम लोग क्या करेंगे? ब्लैक बोर्ड की तरफ चलेंगे. नाउ वी विल गो टुवर्ड्स द ब्लैक बोर्ड एंड विद द एग्जांपल वी विल ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. एंड डियर स्टूडेंट, यू विल मेंटेन योर कॉपी आल्सो. मींस जितना ब्लैक बोर्ड पे लिखा है, जो भी वीडियो में जितने मैटर भेजे जा रहे हैं, सबका रिकॉर्ड यानी कॉपी में, ग्रामर की कॉपी में जो टेंस का चैप्टर आप बनाए हैं उसमें आप धीरे धीरे स्टेप आगे बढ़ाते रहिए और इसकी प्रैक्टिस भी घर पे करते रहिए. पिछला भी प्रैक्टिस कीजिए ताकि ये टेंस फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन इज द लास्ट के सेंस में प्रिपेयर हो जाए और कभी ना भूले. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू टुवर्ड द ब्लैक बोर्ड and I will teach you present continuous tense. Which tense? Present continuous tense. First of all, affirmative sentence. Rule. What is the rule? Rule is continuous means first form of verb plus ing. Continuous means first form of verb plus ing. Affirmative sentence. Rule, subject plus helping verb is am are. There are three helping verbs. Is am are. और उसमें से आपको you will have to select one. You will have to select one. On what basis? On the basis of this subject. Okay, student. And now I will do first form of verb plus ing. Common rule for continuous. Common rule for continuous. Then we arrange at last object. And then after full stop. Do not forget. Example. I have taken subject I, so I will use helping verb I. I am going. Going means first go plus ing. Going to market. Example, I am going to market. I think there is no problem in this matter. Now I will go to the negative sentence. Now I will go to the negative sentence. अब हम लोग negative sentence पर चलेंगे. तो जो affirmative का रूल है, सेम वही सेम रूल negative sentence के लिए. Only there is only one change. Be used not just after helping verb. Be used not just after helping verb to convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence. So be careful to know about the rule of negative sentence, formation of negative sentence of present continuous tense. First of all, I will write subject, then I will write helping verb, same just like affirmative sentence. Is am are plus not means just after is am are I will use not in the negative sentence. And same first form of verb plus ing plus object. Now I will try to understand with the help of this example. He is not subject. He subject is helping verb, and thereafter I will use not. He is not going to school. He is not going to school. And third type of sentence, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentences are of two types. Interrogative sentences are of two types. First, SO type, and second, WH or Y type. And there are two rules about the formation of these are both two kinds of sentences. यानी हम इन दो प्रकार के सेंटेंस को ट्रांसलेट करने के लिए हम दो नियमों का पालन करते हैं. नियम तो समझिए कि सेम ही है, बस देयर आर ओनली समथिंग चेंज. क्या चेंज है कि जो रूल मैंने इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस के लिए बनाया है उसी रूल में अगर वाई टाइप का आता है तो उसी रूल में हम केवल IW ऐड करें. बी एड IW मीन्स इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड. IW means interrogative word. IW means interrogative word. Interrogative word क्या होता है? What, when, why, how. These are interrogative word. Means the words with the help of them be asked any question known as interrogative word. उन्हीं को यानी जिन शब्दों से हम प्रश्न पूछते हैं, यानी प्रश्न पूछे जाने वाले जो शब्द होते हैं, क्वेश्चन आस्किंग वर्ड, is known as question asking word is known as interrogative word, or the question asking words are known as interrogative words. Okay, student. Now we will try to understand with the help of example H and R. These are helping verbs. In interrogative sentence, under S no type, be used first of all helping verbs. Then after subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object and plus interrogative symbol. Example: is and or we have taken out because the subject is you. Subject यहाँ you है, इसलिए हमने so that we have taken helping verb are. Are you doing your work? क्या तुम अपना काम कर रहे हो? Are you doing your work? तो yes no type, you will reply no, I am not doing my work, or yes, I am doing my work. So this type of interrogative sentence is known as S no type of interrogative sentence. Okay, student. And then WHY type interrogative sentence, only we add either interrogative word plus helping verb plus subject plus first form of verb plus object plus interrogative symbol. Example: why are you plucking flowers? Why are you plucking flowers? We add only अगर हम कहें कि आर यू प्लकिंग फ्लावर्स, या तुम फूलों को तोड़ रहे हो, है ना, या अगर हम कहते हैं कि तुम फूलों को क्यों तोड़ रहे हो, तो हम क्या करेंगे? इंट्रोगेटिव वर्ड वाई ऐड कर देंगे. वाई आर यू प्लकिंग फ्लावर्स? वाई आर यू प्लकिंग flowers? Why are you plucking flowers? Then after I will study one another kind of sentence. वो कौन सा सेंटेंस है? इंट्रोगेटिव नेगेटिव सेंटेंस. बिफोर आई हैव ऑल्सो डिक्लेयर्ड, मैंने डिक्लेयर कर दिया था. क्या डिक्लेयर कर दिया था? कि ओनली बी यूज नॉट just after subject in interrogative negative sentence. So I will advise you all, students, you will have to try yourself to form interrogative negative sentence of any tense or any form. You will have to try yourself. Okay, student? एंड अब मैं समझता हूं कि आपको ये पूरा समझ में भी आ गया होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट, थैंक्स.